Good morning, day 7. We're just leaving Wilmslow. So it won't be long, we'll be crossing the, I don't know if it's under or over, Transpennine Trail, one of our favourites. And then we're on up through Preston, Bolton, Chorley and into Lancaster today. 68 miles, 2,000 feet of climb, and I think we're going upside of a canal as well. So we had a good night's sleep last night. Struggled to get some porridge down, as you always do when you're doing these long days. You never feel like eating when you've got to. Right, so let's crack on and hopefully it's a nice route. Let's go. See over the top of that. I think so. Yeah, I can smell after. Keep right. I got my camera on. Oh, it's warm in here. Right, so we're 7.5 miles out of Wilmslow now. We're just coming down this old railway line called, I think it's called the Heritage Loop. And I didn't realise it was. I said to Lisa, it's got a feel of an old railway. It's just because of the straightness, and it literally intersects through roads and stuff. And it's just brought us straight through. It's lovely. So it does look like we're back on a road in a minute, but we've made fairly good progress so far. I mean, it's only 8:30. We've been going for 40 odd minutes, so happy days. And it's just starting to warm up a little. Quite chilly today, and there's a bit of rain forecast, so let's go. It's cool, isn't it? Apart from being bumpy as heron here. Look at that. He's clearly fixated on a fish, and not us. Look at this, beautiful. Just riding through Sale now along the canal. I'm assuming it's Manchester Ship Canal, I could be wrong. Oh dear. Sad side look. Teetering on the edge of being sunk. Yeah, this is beautiful. Right, so this must be the motorway, which means the Transpennine Trail somewhere down here. Yeah. Right, so we're intersecting Transpennine Trail. We've just crossed where you can get on the Transpennine Trail. One of our favourite trails. I've never done this section, but we'll do one day, won't we? It'll be a breeze after LEJOG, I reckon. So yeah, right, let's crack on. Yes. This is nice. This is the Row Green Loop line. We've just come off the Bridgewater Canal. Not that Bridgewater, the one in Manchester. And we're going down here. I don't know, there's no railway. It's got a look of it, hasn't it? Maybe it was. We'll see. Let's go. Thank you, buddy. Cheers. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Must be an old railway line, this, look. Double platform. Cool. That's cool, isn't it? Yeah, that's one of them modern concrete jobbies, isn't it? Well, probably in a different one. On him. On him. There's still ballast down there, look. So we're still on the Row Green line, which is an old railway. There was some platforms we passed. I think I put the camera on. And it's just a gradual climb all the way up and out of Manchester. So it starts just past the Trafford Centre actually. I'm not sure how many miles we've done. It feels like forever, doesn't it? But it's probably only about 3 or 4. But we're currently at 20 miles already for the day. So we're feeling alright, so we've still got some climbing to do, and then it looks like we drop and it's a bit plateauy towards Bury and Preston. So yeah, let's go. It's a bit muddy. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I'm not a fan of towpaths when they're like this because they're just slow. Oh, we're alright. It's cleared. Yeah, I don't like it gets used much. Lovely though, very quiet and picturesque. Anyway, we're over halfway for the day. It's only 12 o'clock, so I'm doing alright. Yeah, so eventually goes to Liverpool. We're not, we're going to Lancaster, so we'll be off at some point. But it's lovely, so peaceful. Reminds me a little bit of the Chesterfield Canal after Kiverton Park, the one I did the video on the other month. Yeah, it's lovely. Let's crack on. Nice Yorkshire canal boat over there in dry dock. LCV. Beauty on railway bridge on the outskirts of Preston. Preston's just there, we're just coming into it now. But yeah, it's beautiful this, look. River there, look, existing railway. Awesome. Gone through some lovely places on his way in. Like a country park and just coming in on an old tramway. But yeah, it's right cool. Lovely. Let's crack on. We've got about 25 23 miles left for the day, I think. I'm just chilling, taking it steady. It's not late. What time is it, love? 20 to 2, bang the time. Nice, crack on. Right, so day 7 done, 68 and a bit miles today, 2,000 feet of climbing, but some lovely canals. We came up the Bridgewater Canal up through Sale this morning, crossed over the Transpennine Trail, which was pretty cool. Then we did a bit of old railway as well, which was cool, the Row Green Loop line, which was all uphill, but that was cool. That went on for miles, about 4 or 5 miles I think. That was awesome, that. And then Leeds and Liverpool Canal, which was cool, and then another bit of old tramway down into Preston. Yeah, it was cool. We came on the Lancaster Canal when we got into Lancaster, so yeah, it's good. So we've got a bit of admin to do tomorrow. It's a rest day, and then Sunday we're heading up to Penrith, and weather's looking a bit iffy Sunday, Monday. Not bothered about the rain, it's the strong winds, but it is what it is. We've got to crack on and just get it done. So it's looking like the wind's going to be a tailwind, so hopefully it won't be too bad. But yeah, we're feeling alright at the minute. A bit tired, but hopefully the rest day will do us good. And then we've got 7 days left to crack on and get to John O'Groats. So it's first today. We'll be setting off again 3rd of August from Lancaster, and hopefully Penzance. John O'Groats on the 10th. Happy days. So might do a little bit of filming tomorrow, I don't know, but if not, see you Sunday.